Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Bimanpalli. Today is my last video presentation and I'm extremely grateful for this internship because it has cleared all my basic concept of finance and I also learned financial modeling, how to make reports and what is acquisition, merger and venture capital and this internship has given me a lot of confidence because it has cleared my concepts and I have learned much more and now I'm willing to learn more about advanced financial modeling, how to read financial statements and how to analyze the data. And for job purpose this internship is good because it clears the concepts and the guide is very good and the HR team is also good. And I'm thankful for Shetty sir for sharing his knowledge with us, and I'm thankful for Muskan ma'am. She has always responded to my queries, and I'm also thankful for Anusha ma'am and Amulya ma'am. Thank you very much, and I have enjoyed making videos for this internship, and thank you.